My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Phyna recent advert for an organic cream company don spark reactions online, and also Ceec don come out come make a huge announcement about her new relationship. Of recent, Phyna come out come do an advert for an organic cream wey be say she dey advertise for. And people don come, some people support the cream, some people come out to come applaud the performance, the advert performance, while some people come dey laugh her say that style wey be say she do say na Edo people style. So this na the video of the advert wey be say she do. As you can see, she dey baff take dey do that advert. Most of the people wey be say dey do all this organic cream, the soap, all those things, dem dey always come out come baff under water, or they go put the cream for water, shower go dey touch the cream. For me, I no really see anything wey dey wrong with this video, but I believe to say some of them dey compare am with this Venita video wey be say she dey do, take the she dey baff dey advertise her own product. If you check some of all these celebrities, you go see say most of them dey baff dey advertise different organic cream, soap, and the rest of them. So maybe fans dey believe to say Phyna suppose do her own the way Venita own take dey sexy. So sexy or not, they don already advertise the product wey they wan advertise, and una don see the name. That's all that matters. After all, if you check am well, Venita put makeup for this her face now, and Phyna na pure without makeup. Na so e suppose be. When you dey advertise organic cream, all those type of thing, what is the need of you using filter? Why not put the thing natural so that people go see wetin they wan buy instead of deceiving them? So make we just see few comments under this her post. So the first person here say something is glitching in the video. She used filters. Yes, she looks like a chronic smoker. Another one say beautiful babe, God bless you baby, keep choking your haters. Phyna dey different from Venita, she dey different from the rest of them, and no two people dey the same. So the way wey be say she dey do her advert, you no fit compare am with the way Venita dey do her advert. Venita normally na ajebota. If you even see the way she dey do sef, you go know say that one na ajebota. Phyna na agbero. See the way she even dey shake her head for the video, you go know to say problem dey. Regardless of wetin anybody talk, both adverts they did amazingly well and they try. So onto Ceec matters. You all know Ceec, since she come out of Big Brother Naija Star season, she has been very quiet. She no dey talk, she no find anybody trouble. She has been all about bagging deals and looking beautiful. So all of a sudden, omoge just come out, come dey write something indirectly for people. People come dey say, "Ah, this one wey Ceec dey talk this thing like this, is it that she has gotten somebody, person wey dey serious?" All those type of things. So people come dey speculate say abi na Ike, abi na another person wey we no know. So she come out, come talk to say nothing beats coming home after a long day shooting on set to a prepared meal by my favorite person. Come put emoji wey winky eye. Come say pasta and sardine. The best part, I didn't even have to ask, is the intentionality for me. No be small thing, my sister. To see a man wey be say go just come cook for you without you even asking him, e dey very rare, especially for this part of our country. Very difficult. But if true say wetin be her name, Ceec don see good man, see new man, na me go happy pass for that girl. Forget all the insult wey people dey insult her. She deserve love. You no get who no deserve love, regardless of your character, regardless of how temperamental you are. Everybody deserve am. So make we just see some comments when she post this. So the first person come say, wow, the guy is a strong man. This person now, I don't know whether in dey try to talk say Ceec na problem, or she be iron lady for her to get a person wey be say as in a strong man I go fit date person like her. But regardless, Ceec na strong lady anyway, so it takes a strong man to recognize a strong lady. So now one can say love is a beautiful thing. At times little things like this matter. Make her a meal and allow her rest while you gist. Make her laugh and sing her lullaby to sleep. Also massage too. True love still exists. So my dear, not be for this country. As in all this, not be say love not exist for this country. Just they talk say the way this person take list this thing, so make her a meal, allow her rest. See the way the person wey dey talk, I don't watch Z word or you don't watch Korean movie, can't just dey imagine things, but na God go help us. Another person come say, Kotagike come say, is that you? Another one come say, love for this recession. And everybody dey so because dollar high, because the country don dey in shambles, person not supposed find love or what? Maybe una leave me. The last person come say all the best, dear. I am so happy for her. If e be say na true true, na man I do all these things for her, God bless the guy, because e not easy. Any man wey be say you see say they try, they do all those small small things for you, my dear, they are appreciative, because they are very very rare. Una take care, una bye.